Let's make a giant pop tube necklace. I have so many pop tubes, but I've never connected them all together, so let's do it. I have a couple mini pop tubes, but I think I'm going to use the giant pop tubes. Let's start by connecting them all together. And finally, this is what it looks like so far, so now let's stretch out all of the pop tubes. This is huge. It's literally longer than my bed. Hopefully you guys can kind of see that, but it goes all the way from there up to the top. I hope you guys enjoyed me making this giant pop tube necklace. Bye!